In a vast ocean, a tiny fish swam beside a giant turtle. "Why do you follow me?" asked the turtle. "You protect me from predators," replied the fish. "And you clean my shell," the turtle chuckled. In a dense forest, a bird perched on a deer's back. "Why do you sing to me?" asked the deer. "Your ears warn me of danger," chirped the bird. "And your songs soothe my heart," the deer smiled. In the world, every creature finds its partner, each giving and receiving, creating harmony. Together they thrive, teaching us the power of unity.